Hey everybody, Tyler Florence here. Welcome to the Extra Mile. We are here in beautiful Santa Monica, California, and this is the kickoff to season 12 of the Great Food Truck Race. We've got 7 brand new trucks and an incredible route to take you on and check out some of the best restaurants we can find while we're on the road. So that's 50-50 burger, I'm assuming bacon, right?
50% bacon, 50% beef.
That's 100% of fun right there. Looks great. Can I get the beef kafka?
Everything?
I want the works. Wow.
You like it?
That's really good on so many different levels. That's a great bite of food.
Thank you, sir.
Let's check in on the teams. Hey guys, it's Tyler, how you doing? I told you operating a food truck is serious business, it's big time. Tomorrow, things are gonna be a little different. So guys, you have to come up with an original dish using champagne as a main ingredient. Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
There's a place called Central Market. Apparently it's like one of the biggest food halls in America.
Yeah.
And there's one place in particular that makes mind-blowing pupusas. And I'm just gonna grab a bunch for the crew. Is that cool?
That's very cool.
So this is Grand Central Market. This is the crossroads of the cuisine in Los Angeles. Originally it used to be just a massive produce market and kind of specializing in not only like Mexican but also Central American and Latin American cuisine and flavors. And you can definitely kind of pick that up throughout the whole place. This is as cool as it gets, man. I think this is one of the best and biggest food halls in the world. It's amazing. This is Saritas Pupuseria, right? It's El Salvadorian cuisine, which is kind of cool. And a pupusa, I think it's fantastic. It's like a stuffed tortilla, stuffed with like either chorizo or cheese or octopus. Somewhere between like a taco and a quesadilla. It's kind of rad. I'm gonna get a big mess of these for our camera crew because I worry about them. You can't eat a cold sandwich when you're in Los Angeles. Forget about it. 10 pork, bean, and cheese, 10 mushroom and cheese, and then 10 chicken and cheese. Big crew, like 30 people. Love that, beautiful, man. One of my favorite places in LA. I think this food is fantastic. And they're gonna make a lot of people happy on set. All right, so here we are at Elimination. The first team to go home. It's always kind of sad, but it's gotta happen. But I think most importantly, man, you gotta feed the crew. Happy crew, happy shoot. We got pupusas for everybody, ba-boom. Let's set this up. Yo, gang, you guys hungry or what?
But these are really good. Awesome. Thanks, Tyler. Thank you, bro.
One elimination down. We've got 5 more cities. We're gonna go have dinner. I've got 2 of my beautiful children in town with me, Miles and Hayden. I'm gonna take them to what I think is literally the best pizza in America, Pizzeria Mozza here in Los Angeles. Check it out.
Meatballs, avocado, sesame toast.
Wow, nice.
Thank you.
Tell me about the pizza.
Squash blossom and burrata, it's a tomato base. We cook the squash blossoms in the oven, and then when it comes out, we dress it with the burrata, little salt and pepper and olive oil to finish.
Oh, it's fabulous. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Thanks. You know, we're out and about shooting the extra mile. We've always got room for one last bite. This is konbi. It specializes in small little tiny Japanese sandwiches. It's blowing up social media and we have to go check it out. Come on. Congratulations on this place, man.
Oh, thanks so much.
So tell me about these like Japanese sandwiches, Japanese sandos, right?
Convenience stores are kind of one of the most common places you would get one in Japan, called konbini, which is actually where our name comes from.
Yeah.
Konbi is a kind of a shortened version of that. This particular sandwich is kind of a combination of egg salad and like a perfect soft-boiled egg in the middle.
Wow. Oh, that's spectacular. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. I see on the menu you guys have an omelet sandwich too, right?
Yeah, you can't leave without checking that one out.
All right, we're going behind the counter. This is like the signature sandwich, right?
This is, when we want a snack, this is what we tend to eat, for sure.
This is fresh cracked eggs, right, with dashi and soy sauce, right?
Yeah,
I love that.
A little bit of sake too.
Yeah.
So we just add some egg to the pan, and flip it over.
I love the art of this, man. This is so great because like everything is just like so perfectly cooked.
Last step here, we got to shape it. So there's a very specific size and shape that we want to get. We just want to try to get it to fit perfectly on the bread. So I kind of scoot it in a little bit on the ends.
Wow, dude.
And that's it.
Look at that, man.
And then
look at the texture on that sandwich.
Goes right on there, and that's that.
I love it. Look how like juicy that is, right?
It's juicy, yeah. That's kind of the one of the things. To be like juicy, a little bit custardy.
Right? Wow. Thank you, man. That is fabulous. This is like a fantastic bite. You gotta go check out when you're in LA, dude. I appreciate that. It's fantastic. Love it. We're about to go see Don Miggs. He's a musical composer, and he did the title track and a bunch of music for The Extra Mile. He's got some new songs to listen to. Let's go check out his studio. Hey, Don Miggs.
Tyler Florence.
What's up, brother? How are you, man?
How are you doing?
I'm good. I brought you some lunch.
I always like to eat.
It's the best track ever. I love this, man. Listen, I hope you guys had a great time in Los Angeles on The Extra Mile. I love coming to LA. It's one of my favorite cities in the world, and we'll see you guys next time on the road. Thanks for watching. It's great. Make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe for more amazing content like The Extra Mile. And thank you so much for checking out Food Network's YouTube channel. And we'll see you guys next week on the road. Thanks.